Cynthia with AQ Lighting and Brian. Hey, we're doing something different this morning. One, we're earlier. Good morning. And two, we want to show you landscape lighting that's beautiful, durable, solid brass, and what's the major focus here?
Easy.
Easy. Okay. You can do it yourself. Meaning, someone like me can do this. We all know he can do it. But can I do it? Usually not. So let me show you how easy this is.
I think I'm only here to run the shovel, aren't I? That's pretty much
Which I
all
try.
that's
Well,
all
I
you
don't want to
me
get
here
dirty.
for. Yeah. Yeah. She's going to do all the wiring. She's going to do all the stuff that an electrician normally would. I'm here for the shop. That's it.
So pick your fixture. Pathway light, spotlight. We have underwater lights. It doesn't matter. Put these into the stake. There's a little groove right here where the cable comes out. This is already on the fixture. So you screw it in. Okay. Stake goes in the ground. This gets buried. Let me show you something. Vanna, will you? So it's a T. You're gonna need the T. This has, you'll see 2 openings there. Let's get a little closer. You see 2 little spikes there, okay? So you line it up. Did you catch that? Yeah. Is there an electrician needed here? No. Did I do this? Yes. Is there an electrician? No. Okay, so this is your end. Now, I want to add fixtures. So that's how you connect them to, from one fixture to the next fixture to the next. Plug it together. You don't need a T when you're at the end of the road. That's how simple this is. Did I miss anything?
That's simple. The jumpers are different lengths, so you're not just subject to 3 feet or 6 feet. You 3, 6, 15, 30 feet long.
Yeah.
To go from fixture to fixture to fixture. Very simple.
Oh. And the different lengths for the jumper? Oh, what do they have on the end? Yeah, the plug. So, your takeaway today is solid brass landscape fixtures that have a lifetime warranty. This is water resistant, so it is sealed. It's a sealed unit, and you can do your whole landscape lighting. Your husband comes home, you go, "What'd you do today?" "I don't know. I lit up the yard." Right? So,
throw your solar ones away. They do not have light output like this.
solar
They do
ones
not.
deteriorate.
So
I forgot about that because you have beam spread options here. So on the bulbs are, you've got a selection there. Anyways, I just wanted them to take it away that literally in an afternoon or less, you can light up your yard. That simple. All right, thanks for joining.